Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, I will be guiding you through how to change your password for Gumtree account. To change your account's password for Gumtree, the first thing you'll need to do is to sign into your Gumtree account. Open up a web browser and type in gumtree.com in the URL box. Make sure that you're signed into your existing accounts for Gumtree by entering your login credentials. Once you're signed into the main homepage, go and click on the menu button appearing at the top right corner. In the pop-up, click on My Details. Now, click the Edit button right next to Password and enter your current password in the first text box. Make sure to enter the password you are currently using to log into your Gumtree account. And now, on the next field, create a new password you are trying to update to. Re-enter the new password in the Confirm Password box and finally click Change My Password. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your password for your Gumtree account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.